A soldering hand is a nifty tool that aids in ensuring the creation of a proper joint. As the name suggests, they are a pair of mechanical hand-like clutches that hold together two elements or wires to facilitate an error-free joint creation. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 soldering helping hands on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Quad Hands Helping Hands Soldering. This is an incredibly high-rated 4-tentacle soldering third-hand vise. The Quad Hands Workbench Helping Hands Soldering Station comes with an innovative approach for the arms. Of the 4 arms provided, 2 are large and 2 are short. The short arms would serve as the foundations for resting the elements, whereas the large arms would aid in capturing elements that are much larger or distant. All 4 gooseneck arms are flexible and are made out of high-quality industrial-grade rubber. The alligator clamps are made out of stainless steel and have a magnetic repositioning throughout the base. As for the base, it is made out of heavy metal and weighs about 4 pounds in total. It has a very large 9 inches x 6 inches surface area and is powder coated to prevent any corrosion. The bottom of the steel base provides even more stability and prevents accidental movement of the base mid-project. The silicone coverings are removable and detachable, thus giving them extra protection when you are working on delicate projects. This South Carolina-based company also provides a great customer support as well. Number 2. Nuacalox Helping Hands Soldering. Next on our list is Nuacalox Helping Hand 2. Comes with a multi-hand setup and an LED magnifying glass to it. This one actually comes with 6 flexible gooseneck arms that have a beaded body to them. They are highly durable and greatly flexible. With their strong alligator clips, they can hold onto the elements tightly. These alligator clips have 180-degree rotation freedom and can lock onto a single place without moving anything. While they are strong, they won't cause any scratch or pinching of the elements placed in their grasp. With a strong metal plate as its base, the tool has heavy weight to it, and the bottom of the base has strong rubber feet to prevent slipping, and it won't tip over easily due to wind or any small accidents. Now to the magnifying glass. It has a 3x capacity to let you have a zoomed-in look at the elements in the project. Included in it is a USB-powered flashlight to illuminate the entire setup. The light has a 3-section settings that let you adjust the brightness to, which is an add-on. Number 3. Kato Helping Hands Soldering. Kato Soldering Helping Hands by Stop Labs. This third-hand soldering tool with incredibly superior ratings and highly positive reviews. Great for soldering, assembly, repair, modeling and much more, the Kato Helping Hands base is highly helpful for a lot of DE crafts, such as electronics, jewelry and crafts too. The base is strong and has a great weight to it. It weighs about 2 pounds to be precise and holds its own against any movement. It has 2 pairs of anti-split rubber feet. This will keep the base in its place and not move about due to accidental touch or movement due to air as such. The feet are powder coated with industrial-grade rubber for no slip. It has a total of 4 rubber-based arms that are durable and highly flexible. These clamps can be rotated to a 360 degrees and let you take any position you desire for your elements. Number 4. RAM Pro Helping Hands Magnifier Glass. RAM Pro Helping Hands Magnifier Glass is a rather professional, high-end helping hand with very economical pricing and at the same time, a very high-quality product. The RAM Pro might not come with a lot of hands, but it has 2 gooseneck clipper hands that do the job and much more thanks to their studded accessories. Starting off with the hands, you have 2 gooseneck metal hands that are not entirely flexible but flexible enough. They are made out of stainless steel and are very durable in nature that can hold a lot of stuff very fast and tight. The helping hand may not have a wide metal base, but it comes with the great build quality and awesome accessories studded to it. Starting with it is the 3x zoom magnifying glass. This lets you inspect your project for greater detail and perform a better job. Aiding to the magnifying glass is a focus-beamed LED light. This will further illuminate your project and aid in getting a highly detailed output. The magnifying glass is made out of high-quality impact-resistant glass, whereas the LED lamp is powered by a battery. Number 5. Zega Crafts Helping Hand Magnifier. Zega Crafts Helping Hand with a magnifier glass. The design schema of the Zega Crafts tool is just like the RAM Pro soldering station, but unlike the RAM Pro, The Zega crafts tool does not have an LED light but has a powerful magnifying glass to it. The base of this tool is stable enough and comes with two gooseneck arms, and each has its own adjustable alligator clip. They are made out of heavy cast iron and very durable in their build quality. As for the accessories, the stand has a 4x magnifier which is strong and made out of high impact resistant glass. This is mounted onto a flexible gooseneck, thus making it adjustable for its position as well. On full extension, the stand can go up to a width of 10.5 inches and a height of 7.75 inches. Other than having a great base build quality, the customer service of the product could be improved a little. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you liked this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.